Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to understand the motion due to gravity. Okay, so motion due to gravity means how the object will be in motion under the gravitational force. For that, I am considering a situation. So there is an object on the earth, right? So this is object on the ground. This object starts means moving vertically upwards. Means this object is thrown vertically upwards with some initial velocity. Let the initial velocity is u. Now we want to know different parameters for this situation. Okay. Let us see what is the time taken by the object to reach its maximum height. Okay, so let us suppose, let us assume maximum height as h. Okay, now I want to know what is the time taken by this object to reach the maximum height. Okay, now first of all, in order to apply the kinematic equations to any situation, we need to know what are the unknown quantities and what are the known quantities. Okay, first we need to know what are the known quantities. Initial velocity u is equal to u, we know that. And acceleration due to gravity, it is always acting downwards. According to sign convention, I am considering it as a negative. So downward directions, we consider them as negative, and upward direction, we consider them as positive according to sign convention to avoid the confusion. So A is equal to minus G, and V is equal to, which is the velocity at a maximum height. Actually, its value is 0. The reason is at maximum height, the velocity is 0. Why? Because v is equal to 0. Why? Because the object is moving vertically upwards. Okay, but the acceleration due to gravity, okay, so the acceleration due to gravity is downwards. Okay, so the motion of the object is vertically upwards, or the velocity of the object is vertically upwards, but the acceleration due to gravity is vertically downwards. As both are in opposite direction, slowly the velocity of this object reduces and it becomes 0 at maximum height. That's why at maximum height I am considering the velocity as 0. So what I want to find is time taken by object to reach maximum height, to reach maximum height. Okay, so what are the known things? Initial velocity u, we know. Acceleration a, we know. Velocity at the maximum height, which is the final velocity, we know. These are the three known quantities. Now we want to find unknown quantity. What is that unknown quantity? T we want to find. Okay, so what is the kinematic equation that I can use now? I can use the kinematic equation V is equal to U plus AT. Why? Because I know U, A and V. I want to find T. Okay, in that case V is equal to 0. Substitute the values here, and U is equal to U. Here I am taking plus u. Why? Because for this I am taking plus. The reason is the initial velocity is in vertically upward direction. That's why I am taking plus u. And minus, because a is minus g, that's why I am substituting g here, and into t. Therefore it gives us u is equal to gt. Okay, dividing with the g on both sides, you will get t is equal to u by g. Okay, so the time taken by the object to reach the maximum height depends upon its initial velocity, whereas the acceleration due to gravity is a constant value. We know its value is around 9.8 meter second power minus 2. It is a constant value. But time of ascent, we call this as time of ascent because it is the time taken by the object to reach the maximum height. So we call it as time of ascent. So the time of ascent is given by u by g. In this way, we can find first parameter, which is the time taken by object to reach the maximum height. Okay. In the next video, we'll find one more thing for this particular situation. So I want to stop here.